And we're back, guys. We're here at my store, WRC Toys, and we're going to unbox this CD Toys, the Iron Man Mark 1 to 7. This one is 4 inches scale. First of all, I want to thank our Lord Jesus Christ for this day. This is a blessed day, and we're going to unbox this toy. And now, guys, we're going to open the box. You open it here at the middle. There, as you can see, uh, it has the Iron Man Mark 1 to 7 with the Hall of Armor. Let's remove that plastic cover so you can view it properly. There, there's the Mark 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Now you can remove this one by one. The figure is only 4 inches. There, and the Hall of Armor is battery operated. You can put battery at the back. And guys, here I already unscrewed the cover, so you put a AAA battery at the back. There. There, and you turn it on. There. That's how it looks when there's a battery. There, guys. So you can see there's a light also inside. Besides the side LED, and each armor you have to put AAA battery, so it will look like this. And there you go. That's the Hall of Armor by CD Toys. It's a 4 inches figure. It's fully articulated, and all of the Hall of Armor are battery operated. Thank you for watching. Bye.